Hey guys, so one thing we committed to when we built the Wall Street Wiretapper is we're going to continue to improve it because we're using the darn thing too. So the Wall Street Wiretapper, the world's first AI-driven unusual option activity tool, just got a major upgrade. Excited to show you. So here we go. So here's the Wall Street Wiretapper. The way it works is you can search 5 days out to 60 days. Let's say we want to do 20 days. And we want to look for stocks between 25 and 50. So here we have our top 10 stocks within 25 to 50 over the past 20 days. We also have our top 10 stocks between 5 and 100 over the past 20 days. And if we scroll down, we have the top 10 overall seen over the past 20 days. Now, the Wall Street Wiretapper, the objective is to find unusual optioned activity. We want to find the names, the stocks that have the highest probability of outperforming their implied volatility, the volatility that's priced in the market. So the Wall Street Wiretapper finds those names with very, very active volume and places them in these top 10s. Well, the big upgrade that we just released is the Wall Street Wiretapper not only gives you the top 10, but it's backed by a neural network, which is AI. So what the neural network does is it audits the results all day, every day, trying to find the names that are outperforming their implied. What the neural network found is names that also see unusual option activity, wacky, huge, unusual option activity, but also have rising options volume. All of our biggest winners have fallen into this category of making the top 10 and also having rising options volume. So what Pablo did, Pablo Lucena, the designer of the tool, he made a top 10 list of the names that are also rising in volume. And not only do you have it for the previous day, today's July 1st, so here is June 30th, we did it for the previous 10 days. So you can see, hey, all of a sudden, when AMC started coming on. AMC started coming on, taking over the Wiretapper. We have Exxon coming up all the time, FedEx, Citigroup. Something that really stood out to me, first time, bonds? This is not a name we've ever seen on the top 10. So perhaps something's gonna happen with bonds soon. Usually what we found is these names are the ones that are about to jump. These are the ones that have the big potential to move. Play around with it. We're gonna continue to improve this. For anybody who's interested in trying out the Wiretapper, below in the video description, I'll leave a link. You can watch a full demo, go through the entire demo, and then if you'd like, you could try 30 days. It's $47, but also what we're doing in this promotion is for 1 month, $47, every Sunday, we're gonna send you our best trade ideas, and then every Monday, join us for a live class where we'll talk about those trade ideas. And then also on the website, our unusual option activity program, one of our best-selling programs, usually $197. We're going to include this with you free for the $47 1 month. So go to the website, learn all about it. Pablo, big shout out. What a great upgrade to the Wall Street Wiretapper. See you guys on the inside.